I've been calling you all night, babe. What happened?
But why were you blowing up my phone?
I was calling everybody's phone last night, man. I couldn't find her.
Looking for your wife?
She did not come home last night, man. She finally got here this morning. Finally. Tisha, what's the issue, son?
Peut-être depuis bien longtemps, mon petit jeu pour. Bah, qui s'implique. Donc, le temps pour moi, cadeau. M'balle la guerre. Son la gueule besoin m'balle. Mais, ou te mettre tes fou, ou te mettre tes sous, ou enragé, puis quoi, jamais ouvrir bouche ou elle dit Marie le bail comme ça.
You look like you're freaking out. Is everything okay?
Yeah, it's about Max.
Max. What about Max?
You okay?
No, I'm not okay. You just don't get it, do you?
What did I do now?
You did absolutely nothing.
What did I do?
You don't get it.
There's always a
You
problem.
just
There's always
don't
a
get
problem
it.
with you. I don't know what happened. What's going on?
C'est yes. Venez continuer, venez, mon cher, venez continuer.
What the hell?
Ton écrasé pour être côté aller. Pas prendre la cara non, ton est boule m'a foutu. M'a tout dit maman ça.
Yes, I am for real. You have to leave. You have to leave. I'm busy. I have a start to plan.